Hello YouTube and welcome to another Windows tutorial. So in this video I will show you a very powerful text editor called UltraEdit. So are you ready? Let's get started. So first thing first, you have to install it, okay? So you go to your browser and you just type in the title ultraedit.com, or you can type UltraEdit as you can see here in your Google search engine. Then the first link you get your text editor. So of course this editor is not free, but it has a trial period that you can use in order to test it. Okay, so you download your version here and the installation is pretty simple. Okay, so after that you get your actually text editor. So let's open it. Okay, here we go. So as you can see here, it's not free. I have a free trial of 30 days that I can use this text editor. Okay, so let's open the most recent file that I've been working with. Okay, it's a readme file. So the first step, let's say that you have here actually a file but you don't know the location of this file. Okay, so in order to get the file and the path name, you can just copy it using this text editor. So if you go here to your home tab, just at the end or the right side, you can find here a button called copy path and name. So I will click this one here. So now I can use my Explorer, Windows Explorer. I can just paste here the path. So as you can see here, my file is located under folder 000 in my desktop. Okay, so here we go. So now I can find my file, which is readme.txt. Okay, I can also delete the actual file. So in the same type, I mean home, and just at the end, as you can see here, there is delete option here. So if I click on this delete here, it will actually delete the current file from disk. So of course I have here confirmation message. So I will click OK, and then the file is getting deleted from my disk. So I return back to my folder here 00. I cannot find the file readme.txt anymore. Okay, so let's open another file. Let's say for example this CSS file here. So I can insert automatically the current date and time using shortcut F7. Here we go. So now as you can see, I get actually the current date and time with just this shortcut. Okay, so this is another tip that you can use. I can also, for example, here I'm using this CSV file. If I hover over the color codes here, you see I get actually the preview of the colors. So here I get orange, and here pink, and here it's yellow. I can even modify the color. So if I hit Control then click the color here, I can actually change color. So let's change it for example to blue. So it's a very useful tip for programmers with HTML and CSS files. Here we go. Now I have changed the colors. If I hover again, I see now the color is blue. Okay, so it's a very useful tip that you can use also with this text editor. You can also encrypt and decrypt files. So let's say that I want to encrypt this file here. So all I have to do is to go to advanced type this time here, and you will see actually a button for encryption here. So if I click on this little arrow, I can encrypt this file. So let's encrypt it using a passphrase. So you can use whatever you want, but most of the time it will be complex. I'm using just a simple one here, just as a demo, and I hit OK. Oh, you see, I have to provide at least 8 characters, so here we go. Here we go. Now the file has been modified. You want to save? Yes. Okay. Here they said if you want to delete the file because it has been encrypted. So let's say no. Okay. So here on my desktop you see the encrypted file. So let's open it just to see. It's not that one, it's this one. So this one is actually encrypted. So let's say I don't want to decrypt it. No. So you see it's actually encrypted. So let's decrypt this file. So this time I will see yes, and let's provide the passphrase that I have provided before. And here we go. Now I have my original file. Okay. And one final tip that I can give you is just if you are working with CSV file. So let me show you CSV file here. So I have this file here as an example. Here we go. It just contains first name, family name, company name, address of some citizens of the United States. I can actually convert this file to fixed width columns. So I will go to home this time here, and no, not home but edit. Here we go, edit, and you see here there is a button CSV convert. So if I click on this little arrow here, I could convert it to fixed width. Okay, so I have here to provide the delimiter. As you can see here, the delimiter for the columns is actually a comma, so you have to provide it here. And here you can give the width of each column. So let's say just 15 for the first column, 15 for the second one. Let's set one for the third one. Okay, and let's convert, and here we go. So as you can see here, it has turned it a CSV file into fixed width columns. Okay, so those are just some brief tips that you can use when you are using this editor here. So that was just a brief introduction how to get actually involved using this UltraEdit text editor. Okay, so in the next or the coming videos I will get in more details about each feature. Okay, so as always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.